Hello and welcome back everybody to another episode of the Geek Tech Show. Over here you see my actual workstation while I work, and in today's video we are going to be reviewing the Solo keyboard and why you should actually get one. So I have been using this keyboard for my Macintosh. It's actually called the Logitech, and I forgot the exact name of it, but it is huge, it is humongous. It's also very heavy. Actually this is the K750. In case you actually want to get one. This one I've been using for years. I like the way it is ergonomically set up and everything else in it, but our review is of the brand new Solo powered keyboard. Because one big issue with this is that it takes batteries, and not only it is not environmentally friendly, also every single time that I have to change the batteries I have to buy brand new ones. And if you're strapped for cash, this is not something you want to do, especially if you have to type in research report and it runs especially dry in the middle of winter. So if you're a college student, definitely you have to get something better. So what we have over here is the solar powered miniature keyboard. Well, it is a little bit miniature compared to the other one. The good thing about this, look how slim, super slim it actually is. It comes in two different sizes and different colors. Well, there is a smaller one, but it's not solar powered. So if you want to get the solar powered, it comes in all black version. It also comes in a silver version as well. Both of them work for the Mac, even the black one, although it doesn't say in some of the places that it works for the Mac, it actually does. And it is easy for me to set it up, and for you as well. All you have to do is plug in this small thing. It looks like that. This is a nano chip, super small, on the back of your computer. And then you can type. It works right away. You don't even need any extensions or anything for your Mac. Or maybe it's because I have the other Logitech keyboard. That's why it did it for me. Now, when you buy this, you get the following. You get this. This is how it looks like in its original box. It's powerful, reliable connectant, 2.4 gigahertz, quite comfortable typing, ultra slim, powered by light. And this is all that it says right on the box why you should get this. Now, there's other reasons why you should get this as well. Apart from it from being environmentally friendly, it's also very easy to type on, and it has on and off switch over here too. But another thing about this, it automatically actually turns itself off. In fact, I read some reviews that this can power itself and work for as long as 2 years before you even need to recharge this. And I do suggest for you to recharge it. Just put this in the sun, and it's going to automatically recharge this and juice it up all the time. So if you juice it up like once a month, it should last you a very long time, hopefully a few years, and maybe even forever, because it's solar powered. Now, the downside of this, there's actually a few downsides. In case you're thinking twice and you're not sure if you should get this, I really want to get the downside as well, because it is also important. So I don't know if this is a downside actually, but it has those flimsy, really small things on the bottom here. You can hardly see them, but it lets it ergonomically put it a little bit higher. Second downside is that there is no alternative power source to this. There is no USB port, there is no battery power that you can power this up, and if something happens to something in the connection or by itself, this will actually die. This entire thing will die because there is no second power source for it. On the other hand, you can definitely mail it back to Logitech and they'll probably service and fix it for you. A few other issues I have with this is this. First of all, while you're typing this in, I use the backspace a lot, and the F12 is very close to the backspace, too close. Now, it's not, very too close. In most places it is pretty close, but in this one it's just a little bit too close. So I accidentally sometimes press on the F12 button and it actually messes up what I'm typing. So that's one thing I don't like about Two is it doesn't have an eject button. My previous keyboard had an eject button, so if you have a DVD or a CD and you want to eject it, if you're still using those drives, this is something that a shortcut doesn't have, and you have to manually actually do it, so it is super annoying. And another one is the way the keyboard actually feels. This could be actually a good thing or a bad thing. It makes more noise and it is more sticky versus the previous one. It makes different kind of noise, but it is not as sticky, just in terms of the keyboard itself. Lastly, the last disadvantage of this is the reflection. This is very reflective surface, so I'm not really fond of that. Now, when you just get this, there is one more thing that I wish actually somebody told me before I did this. When I bought it, there was this tiny film that you can actually take out before you use it. Unfortunately, I should have kept it on because it keeps this being neat, and it actually keeps it from getting dirty as well, and it probably is not going to get as reflective if you keep this protective film on as you originally bought it. So that's another thing that you should actually know. Other than that, it is a really great keyboard because it is so small and slim in size, and you can see in terms of my size and in terms of the keyboard itself and in terms of the previous one, you can tell the big difference between them. They kind of look the same, but this one is a little bit small. It weighs a lot less, so if you are, specifically if you like to go to places, you're a college student, you want something super slim that you can fit, this would be it. And this is exactly why some people will like it. Now, when it comes to low profile on your desk as well, not only it is low profile, it is also has a surface on the bottom that makes this less likely to slip, which is a good thing because my previous keyboard, a lot of keyboards, they move pretty easily. This one doesn't. This surface itself makes it a little sticky, and great with that as well. It is made in China, by the way. Most things, that's what they're made of. There is nothing you can do about that. But I do recommend this keyboard if you want to keep and be environmentally friendly. You don't trash all those batteries all the time. This is the ultimate way for you to go. Plus, you're college students on a budget. This is also for you a very good investment. You don't have to buy all those batteries all the time. And in 4 years of college, this is all you will actually need. And also, it is wireless. Of course, you can pick the wired keyboard if you really want to go at it. It is also environmentally friendly, but the power of the wired keyboard, the extra wire, you can actually type anywhere you want, and the wire itself always sticks out. I found wireless keyboards is the way for you to go, and in college this is what you need. So if you're looking to get somebody a great gift, you want to become environmentally friendly, you want to save the planet, this is the way for you to go. The solar powered keyboard is the thing you should get. There's going to be a link right down below where you can buy this keyboard at the cheapest possible price directly from Amazon, and I get a very small commission, and that's all I get. This is not a sponsored review. This is an honest review of me actually using and really liking this keyboard. Thank you so much for watching this channel. If you did enjoy it, please make sure to hit the sub button and become a subscriber. Thank you and have a great day and welcome, and I hope to see you again in the Geek Tech Show.